In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for task management. We'll walk through a simple flow to create a task, add helpful details, and speed things up with a template so you can organize your work with confidence. Start by opening your workspace and heading to the overview area in your team space. This is your home base for seeing what's going on across projects. From here, locate the project you want to work in and open it. Think of a project as the container for related tasks. Choosing the right one keeps everything tidy and easy to find later. Inside your project, look for the Add Task button. Click it to create a new task. A clear, concise task name makes a big difference, so enter a title that describes the outcome you expect. After creating it, click the task name to open the full task view. This is where you'll add context and structure so your work is actionable. Next, click Add Description. Use this space to outline what needs to be done, why it matters, and any relevant links or requirements. Short paragraphs or a quick checklist can prevent back and forth and keep the task moving. Now, let's make your task even more useful by adding a custom field. Choose Create New Field, then confirm creating a new field. Custom fields help you track things like content type, priority, or platforms, whatever your workflow needs. Pick a field type that matches the kind of data you want, such as text, dropdown, or date. To speed up task setup, open templates. Templates help you apply a consistent structure in seconds. Click Use Template to browse, then select a ready-made option called Social Media Content Plan. This is a great example because it often includes fields, sections, and formatting tailored for planning posts. Click Use Template again to apply it to your task. Your task now inherits the template structure, saving you time and ensuring you don't miss critical details. With your details in place, finish by selecting Create Task. Your task is now added to the project with its name, description, custom fields, and the applied template. You're set up to track progress and keep work moving smoothly. That's the essential flow. Open your workspace overview, go to your project, add a task, enrich it with a description, create a custom field, apply a relevant template, and create the task. Follow this pattern, and you'll build tasks that are clear, consistent, and easy for your team to execute.